Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Power on the TV and switch to the intended HDMI input or plug in your Chromecast. Make sure your Pixel has Wi-Fi enabled and is on the same network as the Chromecast or Smart TV. If you prefer a wired link, connect a USB-C to HDMI adapter to the Pixel. This avoids network streaming. Once done, keep cables visible so you can confirm connectors, because a loose HDMI or power cable is the most common early snag. Now connect and initiate the cast. For wired, attach the USB-C adapter to the Pixel and the HDMI to the TV, then select that HDMI input. Your phone mirror appears instantly because the adapter sends video directly. For wireless, open Google Home, pick the Chromecast or TV, tap Cast My Screen, and confirm. This streams over Wi-Fi, so latency depends on network quality. Make sure to adjust display resolution or orientation in settings if the image looks stretched or parts are off. Finish by using your Pixel as the remote. Change volume, pause video, or switch apps. You control what's shown because the phone handles playback commands. To stop casting, tap Stop in Google Home, use the cast notification, or unplug the USB-C adapter for a wired session. If the image freezes or audio drops, restart the Pixel, power cycle the TV or Chromecast, and confirm both are on the same network. If problems persist, try the wired USB-C to HDMI method as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.